All right, teachers, so it has come to our attention that some people just need a little bit more help with these Epson projectors. So what we're going to show you today is how to simplify all the tools within the software of the board as well as the smartboard software, okay? Now, what you're looking at here is after pressing menu on the Epson projector's remote, you get these options. And the first thing I went down is I scrolled down to extended, and I clicked on projector controls. And in here, what you can do is actually turn off the projector controls. What that will do for you is those options that come along the bottom of your Epson board, those go away. However, you still get the same options here for going back and forth with your Epson board settings. So this is what I mean. I'm going to hit escape and to back out of this menu. And now what you can do is, say I want to write all over the screen, tap your board as you normally would, and you get two options. You get one that has a little computer icon on it, or you get one that has a projector with a pen on it. Now, on the computer section, you'll know you've clicked on it because it'll be highlighted like this in blue. You could scroll up and down, you could click. It's as if you're just using the mouse on the computer, but on your Epson projector. Now, if there is something on a page that you want to highlight and write on, if you tap that computer icon and switch to projector and pen, what you're doing now is you're writing on the Epson projector's software. So now, you can click on this arrow, you can choose a pen, and keep in mind what I said. I'm writing on the projector, not on the computer right now. Okay, so I choose my pen color, I can write all over it, I can say hello, and what you need to notice is this inking is on your projector, not on your computer, and that's where the disconnect is happening. Okay, if you want to erase, by all means, there's your eraser icon. You can either erase it, or if you want, you can click down here, and you get the option to erase all your annotations at the same time. Okay? Now, the other part I'm going to highlight for you, and I'm staying within the Epson projector for this part, is you have two options here. The first option lets you write all over the projector. Your second option, you actually get a blank white page where, again, you can choose your color and write whatever you'd like. So, those are the two options there. Okay? Now, if I switch back to the computer, you'll notice that writing goes away because it's in that whiteboard space. So, if I go back in here, my writing will be here on the whiteboard space within the Epson projector. Now, if I switch all together and open up the computer, so now if you notice, I'm back to the computer settings. I can scroll up and down on my computer. If I choose to, I can still bring up my smartboard software. And within the smartboard software, if I wanted to use this side now, it's the regular bring up your pen, choose your color, and now this is writing within Smart, okay? And everything you do within Smart, you'll still have to go into that file save, and that's how you'll save it. So that's the main disconnect that teachers are having within the Epson software, where you can toggle back and forth between the board and its pen and Smart and its pens. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. We'd be more than willing to come and help you out. Thank you.